Good morning everyone, it's Cheyenne and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This way you guys can stay updated with everything. I'm so excited to share a fun package I received in the mail. It's from Pixi by Petra from their Glow Collection. If you haven't seen my first video with Pixi, make sure to go ahead and click up here. If not, you guys can watch it at the end, but I'm so excited to go ahead and share with you guys what I received in the mail. I'm really excited to share these products with you guys because now that I'm in my late 20s, I really understand why it's important to start taking care of your skin, especially at a young age. It's important to take care of your skin because you don't want to age, you don't want to get wrinkles. You know, Holt teases me all the time. Now that I'm getting closer to my 30s, I really want to maintain looking youthful, having radiant skin, so it's just important just to make sure you're taking care of it by using everyday products. The first product I'm going to introduce is their cleansing gel. This is really good for removing any dead skin, exfoliating your skin, and even just hydrating it. I think it's really important that you remove any impurities that you have, but without stripping any essential moisturizers off your face. This retails at $18. You can use this in the morning, you can use this at night. It's just important you use only a small size on your hand, which I'll show you right here. Once you apply it on your hand, you're gonna go ahead and apply a small amount on your cheek. You're gonna rub it in for about 30 seconds, and you're gonna do the same thing all over. And like I said, you could do this in the morning, you could do it at night. You just wanna make sure you get all in there. I've been using this every day for the last few weeks, and I've really noticed a big difference in my skin. It's been looking more radiant, which is super important, and just making sure that it continues to look as youthful because I don't wanna look old. Thanks, Holt. Okay, now that it's been rubbed in all in my face for about 30 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off, and I'll show you guys what I look like afterwards. Now that I just washed my face, my skin feels amazing. It feels nice and clean, and I'm just excited to move forward. The next thing I'm gonna be sharing with you guys is their toner. This retails at $29. You can use a cotton, or you can even use a cotton pad. You just want to apply a small amount to the cotton. This is really good for making your skin look radiant and healthy, and you just apply an even amount all over your face. I really like this because I feel like it helps even out my skin, and especially if there's any dark spots, it helps smooth it out. Once you're done applying, you just let it sit, and then you're gonna get a small washcloth and lightly dab it off. You can do this in the morning, or you can even do this at night. The next product I'm gonna share with you guys is the exfoliating serum. This retails at $24.99. This is really good to help nourish your skin and also hydrate it. You only need to apply a small amount. I would recommend about 2 to 3 drops all around your face. And I really love that this is a thick serum. 1 and 2. And you're going to apply a small amount along your whole entire face. I love doing it underneath my eyes. This way it helps reduce any dark circles if I have any. And I love that this is a thick serum. Like I said before, it really helps give your skin all that nourishment that it is needing. This feels really good. Now that my face feels hydrated, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys the next product they sent me. Next is the Phenomenal Gel. This will help balance and neutralize your skin. You only need a small coin size along your hand, and I forgot to mention, but this retails at $24.99. I really love that this has aloe vera in it. Ooh. This will help give your skin that little hydrating boost that you need. And this feels really good. I would probably do this every day, every morning, every night. This makes my skin feel amazing, and I just love, 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 love that it has aloe vera in it. Whew. So last product I'm going to share with you guys is the On The Glow Moisturizing Stick. This retails at $18.99. I love that this is travel friendly. It almost reminds me of a deodorant stick, but that's okay. This is really good just to help keep your skin hydrated. You can go ahead and apply it on your face. Ooh. You can even do it on your lips. You can even do it on your hair. It's best to try and avoid your eyes, but this is really nice, and I love, love that this is really small. You can take this on the go, you can keep it in your purse, but so far, I love each one of these products for different things. It's helped keep my skin refreshed, nourished, and even hydrated, which is really important just to take care of your skin like I've mentioned in the past. Lastly, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I'll make sure to link all the products down below. If you guys are interested or you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I really love each one of these products because each of them maintain a different purpose, which keeps my skin feeling amazing. Like I said, it feels nourished, it feels soft, feels rejuvenated. I just love, love, love these. It makes my skin feeling youthful, which I mentioned in the beginning. It's important to really take care of your skin. But anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have questions, please feel free to write them down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.